For today's video, we are going to answer 5 items in Metrobank MTAP Math Challenge 2016 Elimination Round for Grade 8, and we are going to explain in detail how to find the solution on each question. On number 1, what is the sum of the reciprocal of all positive divisor of 8? Since we are talking about positive divisor of 8, so let us identify first the positive divisor of 8. That is 1, 2, 4, and 8. So those are the positive divisor of 8. Since we are looking for the sum of the reciprocal of 1 is 1, and the reciprocal of 2, that is 1/2, and then the reciprocal of 4, that is 1/4, and the reciprocal of 8, that is 1/8. So let us find the sum. So let's have the LCM of 2, 4, and 8, that is 8. So we are going to have 1 as a denominator. 8 divided by 1, that is 8 times 1, that is 8. And then 8 divided by 2, that is 4 times 1, that is 4. And then 8 divided by 4, that is 2 times 2, that is 2. And then 8 divided by 8 times 1, that is 1. So to simplify, 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 over 8, it will give us 15 over 8. And this will be our answer. For number 2, factor completely 27x raised to 5 y raised to 5 plus 12x cubed y raised to 7. So how can we factor completely the given expression? So first, let us find the greatest common factor of 27 and 12, and that is 3. And then, the greatest common factor of x raised to 5 and x cubed, that is x cubed. And then the GCF of y raised to 5 and y raised to 7, that is y raised to 5. And then 27x raised to 5 y raised to 5 over 3x cubed y raised to 5. 27 divided by 3, that is 9. We are going to cancel this one. X raised to 5 divided by x cubed, that is x squared. And then let's have 12x cubed y raised to 7 over 3x cubed y raised to 5. 12 divided by 3, that is 4. And we are going to cancel x cubed. And then y raised to 7 divided by y raised to 5, that is y squared. So this will be the answer. On number 3, expand and simplify the quantity of x plus y squared minus the quantity of x minus y squared plus the quantity of x plus y times x minus y. So to simplify the given expression, let us square each binomial. So x times x, that is x squared. And then x times y multiplied by the constant 2, that is 2xy. And then y multiplied by itself, that is y squared. And then x times x is x squared. X times negative y times the constant 2, that is negative 2xy. And then negative y multiplied by itself, that is positive y squared. Since we are going to multiply sum and difference of the same term, we just simply multiply the first term to first term and last term to last term. X times x, that is x squared. And then x or y multiplied by negative y, that is negative y squared. So let us distribute the negative sign. So let us write this one. X squared plus 2xy plus y squared minus x squared plus 2xy minus y squared plus x squared minus y squared. So to simplify, let us cancel this one. And then y squared. And then let's have 2xy plus 2xy, that is 4xy plus x squared minus y squared. And then to simplify, it will give us x squared plus 4xy minus y squared. And this will be our answer. For number 4, if 6x squared plus kx minus 8 equals 2, multiplied by the quantity of 3x plus 1 times x minus 4, what is the value of k? So the tricks in finding the value of k for this kind of question, we are going to let x as 1. So if we have 6x squared plus kx minus 8 equals 2 times 3x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 4, we are going to substitute the value of x, which is 1. So that is 6 multiplied by 1 square plus 1k minus 8 equals 2 times 3 times 1 plus 1 multiplied by 1 minus 4. So let us simplify. 1 square, that is 1 times 6, that is 6, plus k minus 8 equals 2 times 3 times 1, that is 3, plus 1, and then 1 minus 4, that is negative 3. So let us have 6 minus 8, that is negative 2, and then 2 times 3 plus 1, that is 4, times negative 3. And then let us have k minus 2 equals 2 times 4 times negative 3, that is negative 24. And then let us move negative 2 to the side of negative 24. So k is negative 24 plus 2. So the value of k is negative 22. And this will be our answer. On number 5, factor by grouping the terms of 16a squared minus 24ab plus 9b squared minus 4a plus 3b. So how can we factor by group the given expression? First, let us have 16a squared minus 24ab plus 9b squared minus 4a plus 3b. So the first group will be 16a squared minus 24ab plus 9b squared. And the second group will be negative quantity of 4a minus 3b. If you are going to distribute the negative sign on 4a minus 3b, you are going to have negative 4a plus 3b. And then, since 16a squared minus 24ab plus 9b squared is a perfect square trinomial, we just simply get the square root of the first term and last term, and we are going to consider the middle term, the sign of the middle term. So the square root of 16a squared, that is 4a, and the sign of the middle term is negative, and then the square root of 9b squared, that is 3b, and then we are going to have a square, minus 4a minus 3b. So as you can see, we have the same term. So we are going to represent this one as x equals 4a minus 3b. So 4a minus 3b raised to 2 minus the quantity of 4a minus 3b can be written as x squared minus x. And to factor this one, we are going to have x times x minus 1. So the greatest common factor of x squared and x, that is x squared divided by x, that is x, and negative x divided by x, that is negative 1. And the value of x will be 4a minus 3b. So therefore, we are going to have x will be 4a minus 3b multiplied by x minus 1. So x will be 4a minus 3b minus 1. So this will be our answer. So I hope you will learn from this lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless us all.